Right now, you are moving faster than a bullet, even while sitting perfectly still. At this exact moment, Earth is spinning at 1,670 kilometers per hour at the equator. You don't feel it. You don't hear it. You don't see it. But your entire life depends on it. Now imagine this. No warning, no countdown, no shaking ground. The Earth instantly stops spinning. Not slows down, not gradually, just stops. The first thing that happens isn't subtle. Everything that was moving keeps moving. At over 1,000 miles per hour, oceans surge forward, planet-sized tsunamis ripping across continents. Buildings don't collapse, they vanish. Cities are erased in seconds, scraped off the planet like chalk dust. Anything not anchored to solid bedrock becomes airborne, including people. The air itself doesn't stop. It keeps racing eastward, turning the atmosphere into a global shockwave. Winds faster than hurricanes, faster than sound. Forests stripped to bare stone. If you somehow survive the first minute, it gets worse. Because Earth's spin isn't just motion, it's balance. Without rotation, Earth's shape begins to change. Water flows relentlessly toward the poles, flooding them completely, while the equator dries into endless deserts. Entire coastlines disappear. New ones form where oceans never existed. Maps become meaningless. Day and night break. No more 24 hours. One day now lasts an entire year. 6 months of sunlight. 6 months of darkness. Temperatures explode. On the day side, land bakes past 50 degrees Celsius. On the night side, everything freezes solid. Plants burn, then freeze. Photosynthesis collapses. Food chains snap. The planet's magnetic field begins to weaken because Earth's spinning core helps generate it. Without that invisible shield, solar radiation pours in. Satellites fail, power grids die, electronics burn out silently. The sky becomes dangerous. And then there's gravity. Earth's spin slightly counteracts it. When spinning stops, gravity increases. You feel heavier, not dramatically, but enough to strain hearts, enough to collapse weak structures, enough to turn movement into exhaustion. For the elderly, for the sick, for wildlife. It's devastating. Life retreats underground. Humanity does what it always does. It adapts. Cities shrink into shelters. Artificial light replaces the sun. Food grows under LEDs. We survive. But the world above is unrecognizable. No seasons, no stable climate, no familiar sky. Just a frozen half and a burning half, locked forever. Millions of years pass. Earth doesn't recover. It becomes a monument to motion, a planet that proved something terrifying, that life doesn't need explosions to end. Sometimes, all it takes is for the world to stop moving. Because the scariest part isn't that Earth could stop spinning, it's realizing how perfectly everything had to move for us to exist at all. If this made you uncomfortable, good. That means you understood it. Subscribe for more science that reminds us how strange, how fragile, and how incredible reality really is.